So we're gonna work on today to how to reset the oil change light on MDX Acura. This is 2009 model, but work on other models too. So basically you need to use this button up and down until you see this screen. Okay, and if you have this temperature sign, then just use the upper button, set reset, and go next when you see the oil life. Okay, if it's not there, just keep scrolling, pressing button until you see that oil life message. Then hold this button for at least 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm just holding now. It's gone. So almost about 8 to 9 seconds, and you will see this message. And then go use the other button again, up and down, to select or set cancel or reset. Okay, and then use the set button again to reset. Okay, so it's back to 100%. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Please like and share. Thank you.
Like and cheer for us. And subscribe.